In this video, we will show you how to share a Kahoot link with student. If you guys want to get started with Kahoot, you can use the links down in the description. If the Kahoot is public, then no sign-in is required to view the details page. Services like Facebook, Twitter, and Slack will preview your Kahoot's title, description, and cover image when you post the link. If the Kahoot is private, you cannot share it via link. If the Kahoot is visible to your team only, organization, you can copy the link only from the browser. If someone else wants to access the game, sign-in will be required. Everyone except you and your team member will be denied access. First, open Kahoot's detail page and click the three vertical dots below the title. Now, select Share Kahoot, click Copy at the bottom, and send the link anywhere you'd like to share. Then, share a Kahoot with others and make it visible on the Shared with Your tab of the Kahoot page. The shared Kahoots can be public or private. Shared Kahoots cannot be removed. If there's no Kahoot account tied to the email you want to share with the Kahoot with, the message won't be sent to the recipient. Now, navigate to the Kahoot's options menu and choose Share. In the search box, type the username, email, or group name you want to share with. A list of matching people and groups will appear under the search box. After that, click Share next to the people and group to share your Kahoot. So, that's how to share Kahoot links with the students. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Kahoot. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.